We'd now like to share a few recommendations to make sure that your analyzer will continue to be a valuable and reliable device for a long time. For regular quality checks, we have non-infectious positive control samples on offer for you. Such a quality control needs to be conducted after each deployment. For further details and support, please contact our customer service. If you're using your device in different locations, please make sure that the analyzer is always shut down and switched off before disconnecting it from the power source. For transport, please use the original packaging. If you plan frequent transport or even mobile deployment, we recommend purchasing the designated transport box. For care and maintenance as well, the device should always be shut down and switched off before disconnecting it from the power source. The analyzer is a diagnostic device, hence you should not only service it in regular intervals, but also clean and disinfect it from the outside. For cleaning, use a soft, damp cloth. For disinfecting, we recommend products containing 70% ethanol or isopropanol. Soak an appropriate cloth with the product and clean the outer surface of the analyzer. Be careful not to touch any openings or the scanner. Maintenance mainly consists in regularly exchanging the air filter. In order to ensure flawless functioning, you should exchange the filter once every 6 months. For this, you shut down and switch off the analyzer and disconnect all cables from the back of the device. Now, using both hands for safety, tilt the analyzer until it rests on its back and the underside is visible. Please make sure not to touch the scanner. Open the flap on the underside and remove the used filter. Insert the new filter. You will notice that both sides have a different feel to them. When inserting the new filter, make sure that the softer side of the filter is placed towards the analyzer, which means pointing to the inside of the device. Be sure to properly close the lid once you're done. Dispose of the used filter according to regional and lab-specific standards. That's it. Now you can place the analyzer upright again and reconnect all cables.